Let's be real, cleaning tile floors with a regular mop just pushes dirty water into the grout lines. It drives me crazy. So I decided to fix that problem for good. I bought the top 5 tile floor cleaner machines on the market and put them through some serious stress tests in my own kitchen and bathroom to see which one actually scrubs the best. Product number 1, Shark Liftaway 5-in-1 Steam Mop. I started with the Shark Liftaway 5-in-1. When I first unboxed it, I loved that the main unit pops off to become a handheld cleaner. It feels sturdy but not too heavy. I took this straight to my bathroom because my grout was looking rough. I attached the grout brush tool, and honestly, seeing the steam blast that dirt away was satisfying. It doesn't use chemicals, just water, which I appreciate since I have pets. The flat pad tool has a scrubber side that tore through some dried spaghetti sauce on my kitchen floor without me having to bend down. The steam comes out evenly, and because you can detach the pod, I even used it to clean my stovetop while I was at it. If you need something that cleans floors and counters, this is a solid pick. Speaking of scrubbing without bending over. Product number 2, Bissell Spinwave Hard Floor Expert. I grabbed the Bissell Spinwave next. This thing feels completely different because it does all the physical work for you. You turn it on and these 2 pads start spinning like a car buffer. I poured some sticky juice on my tile to test it, and I just guided the machine over the mess. It scrubbed it right up without me breaking a sweat. The swivel head is super smooth, so I could glide it right under my cabinets. I really liked the on-demand spray button. It let me control exactly how much solution hit the floor so my tiles weren't left soaking wet. Plus, it comes with washable pads, so when I was done, I just tossed them in the laundry. This is definitely the one to get if you have back pain or just hate scrubbing manually. But if you want pure steam power. Product number 3, Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop. I moved on to the Bissell Power Fresh. This one feels like a classic. It's not trying to be fancy, it just wants to work. The coolest part for me was the flip-down scrubber on the back of the foot. I found a piece of dried gum or candy on my entryway tile, flipped that little scrubber down, and the steam melted it right off. It heats up in like 30 seconds, so I wasn't waiting around. It also comes with these little fragrance discs that you slide into the mop pad. As I was steaming, the whole room started smelling fresh, which was a nice bonus. You can pick low, medium, or high steam, and I noticed the high setting really pushes out a cloud. If you just want a reliable steam mop that doesn't cost a fortune, I'd stick with this one. However, if you have a massive area to clean. Product number 4, McCulloch Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. I lugged out the McCulloch Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. This doesn't feel like a normal mop, it feels like industrial equipment. It's got a huge tank that lasts for 2 hours, so I didn't have to stop to refill it while doing my hole downstairs. The pressure on this is insane. It shoots steam at 58 psi. I used the jet nozzle to blast gunk out of the corners where the floor meets the wall, and nothing else I tested could reach there. It comes with 23 accessories, so after I did the floors, I actually took it outside to detail my car wheels. The 18-foot cord gave me plenty of room to move around. If you need to deep clean absolutely everything and have a big house, this is the beast you want. But maybe you want to vacuum and wash at the same time. Product number 5, Bissell Crosswave Turbo. Finally, I tested the Bissell Crosswave Turbo. Holding this, I realized it's a total time saver because it vacuums and washes simultaneously. I spilled some cereal and milk on the floor to see if it would clog, but it sucked it all up while scrubbing the tile. The 2-tank technology is great because it keeps the dirty water separate from the cleaning solution, so you aren't putting grime back on the floor. I also noticed the Fresh Start filter did a good job of keeping that wet dog smell away, which can happen with other vacuums. Seeing the color of the water in the dirty tank was gross, but it proved it was working. If you are busy and just want to get the chores done in half the time, this is the winner. Honestly, my floors have never looked this good. It really comes down to whether you want steam, scrubbing power, or a vacuum combo. I've dropped links to all 5 of these in the description below so you can check the current prices and see which one fits your budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.